Good morning, all. How are you guys doing this day? Good. Previously introduced, I am Iwan Wisnu Kirana Utama with the last three number is 030 of class 4A. You can call me Wisnu. Stay healthy. Again, for the first time, we carry out mathematics learning. Children are still enthusiastic about participating in online learning today. Class 7A for class leader today is all present. Okay, because it has, before we begin learning, we begin with prayer. The class leader can be led his prayer. Thank you. So on this morning, what material are we going to discuss? We are going to start a new material, which is set, relation, and function. We will focus on the set. In this section of the set, we will discuss what is a set and what are the operations that exist on the set. But before that, I had a problem. Here, there are three pictures. The first, there are pictures of four-legged animals. The second, there are pictures of rupiah money in the various nominals. The third, there are pictures of smart people. We see, are all three formatted by one picture alone? No, these three are formatted by a collection of several images. In mathematics, this collection of several objects can be said to be a set. But is this one called a set? So, what is a set? The first picture, a collection of four-legged animals. There are horse, dogs, tiger, and others. There are many more that we can mention because the set is clear, or we say it is definite. The second picture, a collection of rupiah money in several nominals. There are 1,000 rupiah, 2,000 rupiah, 5,000 rupiah, and others. Similar to the previous one, we can still mention a lot because the set is definite. Third image, a collection of smart people. There are Newton, Einstein, Pythagoras, and others. But there are some opinion if we input this collection with an unknown person. For example, my friend who went to school in Singapore is a smart person, but you don't think he is smart. So, since this set is subjective, it says undefined. So, which set does the set say? The definite or the undefined? Okay. In conclusion, a set is a collection of definite objects. A collection of four-legged animals is a set. A collection of rupiah money in some nominal is a set. And a collection of smart people is not a set. Remember, a set a collection of definite objects. In mathematics, the set is usually denoted by one capital letter. For example, A, B, X, Y, and others. For object in the set, we call it in element. Elements are spelled out by curly brace. If we combine the writing between the set and the object, it will produce at a table form of the set. For example, A equal A, B, C, etc. Naming in a set is not arbitrarily done in the file of number. It turns out there is a special naming for a set whose element is a number. For example, N for the set of natural number, Z for the set of integers number, Q for the set of rational numbers, etc. Until here, is there something to ask? Okay. Either because they are known we continue. Once we know a set, there is a so-called operation in the set. The operation of the set, there are 5. It's union, intersection, complement, difference, and symmetric difference. First, there is a union. The symbol of the union is similar to letter U. Suppose there is a set of A and B. The union of A and B is all the elements that are in the set A or that are in the B. In the Venn diagram, the two shaded sets. Second, there are intersections. The symbol of the intersection is the opposite of the union symbol, similar to the letter N. Suppose there is a set of B and B. The intersection of A and B are all elements that are in the set A and are also in the set B. In the Venn diagram, the cutout areas of both sets. Third, there is a complement. The symbol of the complement is the rank of the letter C. Suppose there is a set of A and U, where U is the universe. The complement of A is all the elements that are in the set of the universe, but are not in the set of A itself. In the Venn diagram, the area outside the shaded set. Fourth, there is a difference. The symbol of difference is similar to the symbol of the reverse. Suppose there is a set of A and B. The difference from A to B is all the elements that are in the set A but not in the set B. In the Venn diagram, the pure area of the first set is shaded only. Last, there is the symmetric difference. The symbol of the symmetric difference is similar to a circle containing a plus sign. Suppose there is a set of A and B. The symmetric difference of A and B is all the elements that are in the set A and B, but not in its intersection. In the Venn diagram, the pure region of the two sets. Up to here, is there a question? Okay. Whether because there is none, we will continue with the exercise. Now, please open your cell phone or laptop or your handphone. I have sent you a quiz link in the class 7A, Mathematics group. Please do the 10 question with a time allocation for 15 minutes starting from now. Okay, because our time is almost over, for today we just need to get here. For the discussion of the quiz, we will discuss in the next meeting. In addition, in order to solidify your understanding, I give a homework for assignment to do. That one takes 4.1, number 1, 4, and 6. And also text 4.2, number 5 and 6. Do it in the textbooks. While recalling, what is a set? Yes, good. Then what are the operations on the set? Exactly. I think you guys already understand what we are discussing today. For the next week, we will continue the material on subset, universal and empty set, finite and infinite set. So please study in the advance at home. In closing, we close this class with a prayer. Class leader can be led his prayer. Thank you. So, in the addition for you, for example, there are questions and others regarding mathematics or not, you can contact my contact such as a phone number, Instagram, and Gmail as that. See you in this meeting and good morning all. Thank you.